You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. Wagwan, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If at the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And big up to the viewers them that are watching on Facebook and Instagram. You know the thing go. You know what I mean? So people, the song in the background that is playing is from Idonia and Intense, and it's entitled Psychopathic. I'm not like it, give me some psychopathic vibe. Check it out.
Babylon 90, clap that loud. 357 Maggie move up your crowd. For 15 Pinelli bring on flood. Life flat cardboard.
People, a serious piece of song and me like it. So what I want to know if you do is just, go support the song. Go and go support the song and support dancehall music. I don't want to make a forward back. You know what I mean? So people, in this review, we are going to talk about Silk Boss, him manager, and Terrodan. The little something that we are going. Me did really want to do a video for feet about 2 days ago, but I choose to do a video right now. So me are going to talk about that. Plus, me are going to talk about Shenseea album launch party. Everybody and their mother did there. Jano Star. And we're going to talk about Bishop Escobar, a member of Shenseea's team, put King. I don't want to call him that, But we are talking about such man get put in place by a member of Shenseea's team, which is Bishop Escobar. We're going to talk about all of that after this.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
So this video is brought to you by Ambiance, the Spring Break edition.
Ambiance! Hey, the little money I get like this.
Yo, check it out. I don't know. Ambience, March 19, 4th Lauderdale.
Ambience, I don't know it's a Spring Break edition, March the 19th at Lauderdale. You know, miss it.
Chase Cross representing, you know what I mean? For Ambience, March 19th, you know what I mean? Flex in the complex, JA. You don't know the thing, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, be there March 19th. But I don't know the settings already, ladies. Just dress nice and I don't know the thing, though. No underwear. Sure.
Ambience. Yeah, now we're up on a journey. Give out to some people when I'm worthy. I give my heart to a girl when I deserve it. And at them same one end up hurt me.
So people, make sure to check out Ambience March the 19th. You know what I mean? Flex Gully side, big up yourself. So people, the first thing we are going to talk about is this argument we are circulate on the media involving Silk Boss and Bree. So people, we now go to sidetrack in what really happened, because me know by now, if you know are following up this story, you definitely know Vice Note leak, sex tape leak, all sort of things happen in the Vice Note. It alleged that Silk Boss a thump up and a beat up a woman and all these things, which is Bree, which is also a manager. So we not to go into that. You see me? The part of me I got to talk about is, you see, when it come on to love and them thing there, sometimes a man will turn quote unquote clown for a woman when kind of love. But sometimes you have to check your experience and check your background. Sometimes you have to find out if them are some hardcore gals from a taller time. You see me? We don't know nothing. Well, me can't talk for myself. Me don't know nothing about Silk Boss in terms of gal. I don't know if he is a galis. I don't know if he is a quote-unquote gal clown. Him definitely a display gal clown characteristic by what him a do. But I feel like we need to ease up off of that topic, You see me? Because when I look upon it, an artist's career is at stake. You see me? And probably him need to look in a film life and say, yo, say my career at stake from this girl forward in my life, say my career go left. You see me? Me go ease her up. Or probably we look upon it the same career go left. You see me? From she reach in him life, but probably him career did done go right already, and she a steer him in the right direction. People don't stone me in a comment section. Me just try split justice. You see me? Silk Boss is a very talented, very talented artist. So because I want to go on now, I not go say I not to support the dog. And I not say, yo, I not listen music or probably share it even on my platform here. You see me? But what I can say, and I said this in the last video, people only need to go look on the video there. Silk Boss, take control of your career, my G. You can't make because of one female just pop up like bread out a toaster, a bag of things start going and circulate all of them negative energy, some bag of negative posts and them things, them G. You see, if you love her, just make sure you know, say, yo, watch you know, me love her, but you need to know, say, there is so much you can go in love and don't make that something that when you love blind you. You know, so I up on the app last night and I reason with some of my G them, man. You know? You see people in Clubhouse, so no big up on yourself. Me I hope you watch this for like, you see me? Just do the right thing, no big up on yourself. You know what I mean? And people, just follow me on Clubhouse. If you're there on Clubhouse, follow me on Clubhouse. At I am DJ Chaddy. Search Chaddy More TV. You must find me. You see me? And if you don't on Clubhouse, just download it, find me, and me will link, me will connect. That is where I do most of my connection on Clubhouse. So if you want to link me, have a chat and them thing there, link me on Clubhouse. You know what I mean? And when we are linked on Clubhouse and we are reason, and they must say, Chaddy, you know, say I look on the argument one way, because me just a run out and I say, yo, the boy a idiot, the boy a girl clown, you know. And they must say, no, Chaddy, you can't look on it that way there. What if at the first time this man I get vagina? No, me don't want to laugh. Me don't want to laugh. Me don't want to laugh nor anything like that. Just think about it. What if at the first time the boy I get vagina? Remember, you know, we see them things happen to some people where all and where woman turn them in a clown, quote unquote clown, and girl clown. Even though the first and definitely not gonna be the last for one girl go so booms and clown out. So probably him no experience like that for spot them on a mile. And then you have some experienced people out there too still don't really know when them a be a clown for a girl. So sometimes we just have to ease up and try show him the right way. See me? Terror than me, I ain't really talk from the incident happening now. But in the incident and when you try tell him and show him certain levels, you be rough upon him and say, dog, you know say you need to dash that girl X, Y, and Z. Or you tell him say, bro, I know say you like that girl here, you see me? But probably I need to do things so, and you need to do things so. And kind of talk to him on a different levels. You see me? Sometimes we are taught the right thing, you know. But it's just how it is transmitted. Make the receiver get it. It lasts the way how you bring it. But if a next man forward and go say, yo, and say, yo, do that and that and that in a more understandable way. Them will say, yo, you know, say, me I look into my life, you know, say that girl across is with you. You know, say, me should have left off of the video shoot and go for, you know, slippers. Stop the video shoot because of one girl and go for slippers and all of them things. We need to just think, you see me? Because, girl take me for eat that already, me, Chaddy More TV, yeah. It just probably never public like film thing when me they wanna talk about it. But girl take me for eat that. You see me? Remember, you know? Remember good. And our hombre tell me this last night. Maurice, big up yourself, my brother. Bounty killer. Did I one of the biggest quote unquote girl clown if I we did I look on it and attack. Because Bounty killer do this, allegedly do that, allegedly do that, and rare we not for going night. But still we artists and we take time with him same way. So probably we need to ease up off a Silk Boss. Me no know. If me wrong, I want to say Chaddy, come off of the internet, a fool in the short talk. Comment in the comment section, say Chaddy, come off of the internet. Don't make back a next video a fool in the short talk. Or if me right, just tell me, do the same thing. You know what I mean? Silk Boss, big up yourself. Mankind, nah, no love.
Yo, dog, they don't have no feelings. I'll lift me rich you for book.
Yeah, bad artist, dog. Deal with the thing proper, my G. Deal with the thing proper. Remember, you know, sometimes we only get one shot in a life. You see me? So you don't want the shot where you get, you kind of spoil it up because of some little folly move. You get what I say, my G? This is probably your shot in life. So make the best of it, my G. Don't take your eye off for nothing. Even if you love this girl and them thing there, you can't put even your relationship first. You kind of have to put your career first. Because at the end of the day, bro, at the end of the day, when this girl is gone, woman lucky, you know? When this girl go so booms and jump grass and change her PTR quick. Ooh, follow Clubhouse know me I talk about the PTR something there. Change her and forward quick. Is her next man. She'll get easy. We have to go so booms and mine her and she have to play with like yo so. So you probably get one chance, one knock. Any other knock off. Anyway, we could talk about the whole Shenseea incident. Is it an incident? We could just talk about that something. So people, we are going to left the King Rere and the Rere argument from Bishop Escobar in the last part. You see me? We are going to load that something until the last part. People, please. I just don't want to call the Umbre name on the video, right? You know, you see me? So, and I don't want to style him neither, because I'm co-worker. You see it? But probably in our next one too, where I go about some things in particular we are look on it wrong, because enough time as vloggers we put out the good and we don't get no click, so we continue putting out the bad. You see me? Forget the attention. Because remember, you know, I have an idea this is a business, so anything we are sell at that we are going to produce. So if a fool in it shall sell, a fool in it we are going to produce. If a good thing I sell, a good thing we are going to produce. A good news we are going to produce. I just saw it go. You see me? I just saw it go. So we are going to talk about that video there at the end. People stay tuned for that video there, because Escobar talk some real thing. Anyway, me want to ask Uno a question now, because this kind of sound wait to me and look away. So Shenseea drop her album. Shenseea album are going good, by the way. People on the need to look on the review what me do with Shenseea album. We talk about that already. She do her album launch at Jamaica yesterday. Everybody and them mother they did it except Chaddy More TV. Me never go. Me never go. Gas price are going on way. I live a country and there's something going on at town. And me never go. You see me? But what me I try say, COVID stop keep? Is this one little hypocrite type style behavior? Because when we see a bag of things going through the pandemic, and even though things are kind of lift and things are kind of get back together, but yesterday we see everybody, people, when I say everybody and the mother mean Christopher Tufton, the finance minister. Am I finance minister? I never remember his name. Me see Bob Zigrange, me see Lisa Anna. Like everybody know what took place. The venue ram like KFC on a Friday night. You know what I mean? And all of them things that me can see on camera where them have breached the COVID law and the COVID this and the COVID that. So is it that we choose who we prosecute, but prosecute who we choose? That makes sense? I don't know. Is it that? I want you to tell me in the comment section below. Because I kind of look away still. You know? I mean, the Minister of Health, Christopher Tufton, was there. Maskless, in face, naked. Jaja. Shenseea, pick up yourself still. I rate you. Yeah, I'm an artist. Please, free me. And block me now, man. Sure. Anyway, people, this is the video we're going to play right now with Bishop Escobar. Take a listen.
I'm real fast. I'm not going to stay up on the live, yeah. Add up fast. King mix up. Big up yourself. Yeah. The man hang up. The man end the live. Just because I joined the live. And all I say to the man, I not say nothing. I not disrespect him. All I say, you have a big platform. My youth shut the fuck up. That the man say, no. All I say to him say, my youth, you have a big platform, shut the fuck up. I hang up him phone. Because him know what me I go say. Bro, me not there for defend Shenseea. You understand? Me not there for defend Shenseea. I'm there for defend dancehall, brother. Why is it that you have this big major platform where big people look up to? If you know what go on in a Jamaica, if you know what go on in a dancehall, if you know what go on in the entertainment industry, and all you do is highlight the negatives, bro. Why you not use your platform, brother? You don't feel a platform can be bigger if you try to push dancehall to the level where it for go. Eh? Bro, do something with your platform. You have a major platform, King Mix Up. Everybody follow you. Everybody know what you're about, G. Use your platform to make little people know what go on in a dancehall, no God. All you do, brother, you go for your life every day and tear down dancehall. Why you do that for? You can bet the... Alright. The thing is with this, you don't highlight the positive of dancehall. Only the negatives. Shenseea album flop, our party flop. You said she not have no story in her post. How the fuck the woman for a story in her post when she have an album launch where she have answer to 900 media, 7,000 her fans them they want meet her. Plus she have to go perform, she have to do this, she have to answer how much interview, how much something. My youth do the right thing, brother, and this a mash way up my youth. This a mash up our country. If a blood clot China man there at a shop here, and him own the shop here, and him see some people a move out of the building there. As the truck drive off, you know what him do? Him drive, go down there to ask the people who own the building here. And him go link one of him Chinese friend and say, yo, somebody just drive out of one building and get 145 directly in a drive. Come look on the building and buy a quint. I want wholesale down there. I want restaurant down there. See? Me joined King Mix Up live a while ago, people, and all me said to them, you know, long more. Brother, this is a live or somebody page where me in tune to. Because him is like a journalist for the social media. And you know this what him say? Anything him post credible. Why you don't post the credible part of dancehall? Why you not post one little girl where you used to run up and down in a pampas in the gully them and in the garrison, skip over dog shit, dog run her down, she name people plum for lunch and one little garrison smaddy. Brother, Sunday night at Shenseea and Mary J. Blige and Puff Daddy, Missy, in a one place. You know put up them something and say, yo, dancehall a reach somewhere. Whether she wants to lick out, body lick off, ankle, heel back, suck big toe, whatever it is. Stop highlight the negative part of dancehall, God. Look how much things are going on in a dancehall. I'll know me not see a post popcorn when him sell out one stadium. Do the right thing, my youth, with your platform, God. See? Do the right thing with your platform, my friend. Me and I tell you, say, nothing say what you want to say. And not say and not write and post what you want post and write, brother. That's why I read Pink Wall them and the whole of them and the nether one them. See? Because them post the good, the bad, the medium, the small, the big, the little, the brown, the black, everything. You just stay for those more people character in a dancehall, daddy. You cannot do that. What you do that for? Me a garrison you, me a get to you. The boss of me boss, you know how much people me feed, you know how much people me help. See? You know how much, bro, hold on, man. You know how much people we help. Shenseea boss. Shenseea give you how much things. And a dancehall do it, bro. At least give the credit where the credit due. Me not say enough to post your thing them. And me not say enough to do what you do. But all me go up on the man live a while ago for tell him say, brother, use your platform to do a little more positivity, brother.
People, me not telling a lie still. Escobar talk something the way. Him have a point. Him definitely have a point. But as I'm saying at the beginning, I mean not defend this brother here, because I rate this brother here. You see me? And dash that. Me not defend that brother here. But me just probably I defend the culture because I probably the same thing I would do more than take up one of my video and say Chaddy Ray. Even though I do a lot of good around people when see that. But I mean, any idea it is a business, and if a fool in it sell, a fool in it shall produce. You see me? KFC wouldn't make chicken if them never know say I chicken sell, and we are wonder where them put in a chicken. You see me? So just think about that. Anyway, still don't forget that this episode was brought to you by Ambience, the spring break party. People wanna go out and get any tickets. You know what I mean? Gully Flex. Big up yourself, my general. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think about the topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way. Any other way, a wrong way.